Can supplementing with Beam minerals help reduce tooth decay? Yes. Let me tell you my own story. 8 years ago, I was in ill health. I had many chronic health issues, including gingivitis, receding gums, and cavity-prone teeth. My business partner suggested I try plant-based minerals. Now, I'm not great at taking supplements. I don't love taking pills, but these were liquid and they tasted like water, so it was super easy. After 2 months of taking them, just 2 months, I went to my dentist to have my teeth cleaned. And surprise, I had my teeth cleaned without any pain. Prior to that time, I'd had to have Novocaine to clean my teeth because they were so sensitive. When my dentist came in after having the teeth cleaning to examine my teeth, she was super surprised and said, "Wow, what's different? The pH in your mouth is completely different. The tissues look pink and healthy, not red and inflamed. What are you doing differently?" And I thought for a moment and I'm like, okay, well, I think it might be these minerals I'm taking. She was really excited and she said, "Continue to do it." Since that time, all of the inflammation in my gums has completely stopped. Instead of having very deep pockets of 6s and 5s, I now have only 2s. And my teeth, which used to be soft, are now hard. So I started doing a whole bunch of research. I'm like, how in the world can this little glass of liquid make such a difference in my life? We have 37 trillion cells in our body, and every single cell requires minerals to function. It's not a nice to have. It's not something you can live without. You have to have minerals. Who knew that? When I started taking minerals, what happened was the cells in my mouth, in the tissue in my mouth, the cells that make up my teeth began to have the energy generating fuel, the minerals, available to help my teeth gain and maintain a healthy environment. So one of the best things you can do, if you have cavity-prone teeth or if you have gingivitis and receding gums, maybe bone loss, it's your body telling you that you need minerals. But not just any minerals. What you want to do is find a full spectrum mineral supplement. Of course, I think that plant-based minerals are the best tool for replenishing minerals in the body. Plant-based minerals, they're the best mineral replenishment tool around.